Okay, so this is Matthew Fisher. He owns Fatty's in Bangkok. What's this area called? Dindang, right?
Dindang,
yeah. So he's going to share a little bit of a story as to how he got here and how he's staying here.
All right, I will start with this lady right here. Her name is Kay. This is my wife. She's a real backbone behind everything around here. Kay and I met at the Piggly Wiggly in Wisconsin in 2008, and sort of, decided to come out here and make this dream come true. I didn't really know at the time that's what I was going to do, but that's how it ended up. And we opened this place in 2012. I remember sitting outside, watching people walk by, and before I got the building, and I thought, there's some foreigners walking by here. Could be a thing, but it was like not a restaurant. It was totally empty, junked out building and stuff. So, but yeah, opened the doors with all the money we ever had, and said, this better work. Because if not, we're done.
But you guys were voted the best dive bar in Bangkok.
That's right, 2 years in a row.
2 years in a row,
Yeah.
so congratulations on that.
I still haven't even put it up next to the other ones yet.
Oh, you guys get a plaque?
We got a few plaques. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yes, the bad. Okay, yeah, Bangkok. It's Bangkok After Dark, right?
That's right.
Bangkok After Dark
Yes.
Awards. I was there, yes. Well, that's where we met.
Here we are. This is my home, my living room.
Your living room, and you invite people, and
That's
people on. Is it only on? Wait, what day is it today?
Today's Tuesday.
Right.
We have a lot. If you look us up on our Facebook page, you can find we have all kinds of daily specials and stuff like that.
But tonight's open mic.
Tonight, every Tuesday is open mic.
Every Tuesday's open mic.
That's been
Okay.
something that I've really been passionate about too since opening this place. Like,
Right.
I grew up with open mic culture and stuff, and just having a place to go play music and all that is really important for me in the community. And I like to hire original bands and support the community of music in this town.
Cool. And what kind of band is coming in today? Or like it's just going to be different random people that want to come and play?
Eric Archer of Improv Logic has been hosting for a while now. There was some Mexican folk artists that contacted me and threatened to come in, but they might not be able to make it.
Oh, okay.
But we'll see what happens. You never know.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's slammed. Sometimes it's all comedians. Sometimes it's no comedians. You never know.
So what inspired you to name it Fatty's?
My nickname is Fatty.
Oh, okay.
It has been my whole life. Growing up, everyone called me Fatty. My mom still calls me Fatty.
Oh, wow.
Everyone back in Wisconsin calls me Fatty.
Wow.
And I was kicking around some names back in the beginning, and my little brother, who at the time was probably about 20 maybe, he said, "Why don't you just call it Fatty's?" And I was like, "That's a good idea."
Yeah, that is. It's kind of, well, not kind of, it is cool actually.
It's fitting, I guess.
Yeah.
I didn't have to think too much after that, so that helped.
Yeah. So, and then apart from this, you also have your own band, or you also play?
Yeah, I got a band out here. I've released some music. I have recorded a bunch of music with other people as well. I have a little record label with my friend. Her name's Becca.
Okay.
She did all the work. It's called Woo Records. There's a sticker.
Yep,
right
the
there
Woo.
on that.
Yeah, right here.
So yeah, I put out some music on that. I had a record out on Panda Records, which is the coolest indie record label in Bangkok.
Wow, Panda
They
Records.
put
Wow.
out my record a few years ago.
Nice. Cool, and that's where people can find your music. Do you
Yeah,
put
just
anything?
look up Matthew Fisher on the internet. I'm
Okay.
on all the streaming stuff and everything.
Awesome.
Fisher
Great.
with a C.
Fisher, F-I-S,
C-H-E-R.
F-I-S, yeah, F-S, okay. F-I-S-C-H-E-R. Okay, cool. Well, that's great. Thanks for the chat.
Cheers.
All right, cheers.